Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Problem Solving Part 2 Worksheet. So this video presents a single worksheet where we can practice solving problems by using an equation. So let's look at these 6 examples very quickly. The sum of two consecutive whole numbers is 47. What are the two whole numbers? Now this first example, I did a very similar example using the previous lesson. So if you're not sure how to start something like this, on the next slide there is a link, and if you click on that link it will take you to the lesson, and it actually explains how to do most of these problems. It gives you a good idea how to proceed. So basically for the first one we just choose a suitable pronumeral to use, then we form an equation, we solve the equation, and then we test the answer. So they're the clues that were given in the lesson. The next one, the sum of two consecutive even numbers is 30. What are the two even numbers? Now you know what even numbers are. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. They're all even numbers. Two consecutive even numbers means two numbers that are close together. For example, 8 and 10, 12, 14, etc. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 36. What are the two odd numbers? So we're looking at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. And two consecutive odd numbers would be something like, say, 19 and 21 or 23 and 25. That's what that means. Here we're talking about the sum of three consecutive whole numbers is 45. What are the three whole numbers? So consecutive whole numbers, that means sort of like 16, 17 and 18, something like that. Consecutive means they are right next to each other. They follow on from each other. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 27. What are the three odd numbers? Again, the odd numbers could be something like 13, 15, 17. So you have to find what those three numbers are. And the last one is a very popular one that we normally encounter when we do problem solving. The length of a rectangle is 7 meters longer than the width. If the perimeter is 46 centimeters, find the length and width of the rectangle. Hence, find the area. So as I said, if you're not quite sure how to proceed, just click on the link on the next slide, and that will take you to the lesson, which gives you a good idea how to do all of these problems.